Hello students, now let us continue our discussion on fuel cells. We have seen that fuel cells are like batteries where we supply hydrogen and oxygen, that is oxygen from air, and it produces electricity and water. So there are no pollutants here, and as long as we are supplying air and hydrogen, the electricity is being generated. So it is a non-polluting and it is not causing any combustion here, and moreover these are only electrochemical reactions which take place between the cathode and anode, and you have got electrolyte as well as some catalyst. But some limitations was that there is some poisoning by some gases like sulfur, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and all, and even particulate matter. And the second is the operating temperatures. Here in this SOFC, solid oxide fuel cells also, they are also operating at very high temperatures, and they're very economical basically. So here in the electrolyte used is zirconium oxide stabilized with yttrium oxide instead of liquid and operate at 800 to 1000 degrees centigrade. So they operate at very high temperatures, and these SOFCs, negative ions, travel through the electrolyte to the anode where they combine with hydrogen to generate water and electrons. So here the negative ions travel. In the PM we have seen the positive ion travels from anode to cathode to produce water and but here the negative ions travel through the electrolyte, and the efficiency is around 60% if it is used for both power as well as heat, that is cogeneration what we call. And they can provide auxiliary power in vehicles. Since the electrolyte is vehicle solid, the cells do not have to be constructed in the plate like configurations. Like other fuel cells, you need like plate type configurations. This high temperature operation removes the need for precious metal catalysts like platinum and all, which is used in other fuel cells. Here, because of high temperature, you don't require a expensive metal catalyst. Thereby, it reduces the cost. But they can be, they are not poisoned by carbon monoxide, which can even be used as a fuel. So they are not poisoned by carbon monoxide. So this was about the solid oxide fuel cell, which to make use, which can use the gases made from coal like methane or natural gas. Thank you.